Money day, guys and girls. You're here with your host, Pastor Pips, and I am bringing you this week's market outlook. Guys, don't forget to like, comment, and share, and also check out www.litcapital.co.uk. Now, as we always do, let's head over straight to the economic calendar. Now, of course, the outlook is slightly late this week. Apologies, we did have a slight mix up. However, let's get straight into it. So today is Monday. We do have United States Independence Day, which means that the dollar should be dead and the stock market should be dead for the most part. However, of course, make sure you just have your alert set and, you never know where the manipulation is going to come from, of course, but we should be okay. Moving on, Tuesday, we do have interest rate decision and retail sales for the Aussie, services, composite PMI for the pound, and Governor Bailey speaking later. Now, midweek, we do have construction PMI. We also have non-manufacturing PMI, construction PMI for the pound, non-manufacturing PMI for the dollar, with some job openings and FOMC minutes. Now, Thursday, we do have ECB monetary policy meeting, initial jobless claims, for the dollar, with IV PMI for the CAD, and of course, crude oil inventories for the dollar. Friday, we do have Lagarde speaking, and of course, the one and only NFP, right, with unemployment rate for the dollar and employment change for the CAD. So, yeah, quite a busy schedule in terms of economic events scheduled ahead for the week. Now, let's get straight into it. So, first things first, I am actually going to go through, let's go through USD JPY first. Now, with USD JPY, this was a move that I was looking out for a little earlier on last week. However, it just didn't come into fruition, which is fine. Now, we just missed out price actually mitigating out this 4-hour candle, and I'm waiting for price to push up into the area. So the two areas I do have is on the 1 hour. We do have this hour standalone candle. It's just quite a simple pullback. We may actually see price consolidate here for a little minute. If we can see price pierce above these highs and then give us a sell, the sell may not necessarily, take out, for example, these daily lows to the left here. But if we can at least get these little lows taken out here, these intraday lows taken out, it's a decent move for about 1 to 4.5. However, there is also another area slightly above where price can, of course, react and give us the move. So, of course, do anticipate price coming to mitigate out that area. However, USD JPY is very, very, very bullish. It's kind of looking like the S&P over the years, but yeah, just keep your eyes up for that and understand that we are very bullish. So this will just be a small, a smaller move in the market for us to gain a move over. Now, heading over to AUD/USD. AUD/USD on the 6-hour. To be honest, it does look like we could actually get prices pulling back from this area to actually break the lows. However, what I do believe is actually more of a higher probable trade setup is price coming up a little bit higher and play into this 4-hour candle here. Now, the reason why I say that is because, whenever I am looking for a sell, I need to see some highs get taken out. And when we switch over to the highs, we can actually see these equal highs right here. This high here is 195 and this high here is 194. So they're pretty much exactly the same points in the market. And, this area is like a magnet. So if we can get price pushing up, spiking above those highs to then get the short, I do believe that is the most ideal. Now, even looking a little bit closer into the 4-hour candle area that I've highlighted, we could actually see price completely close off this imbalance and play into this 1-hour up candle to then give us a short. Now, this short would be quite, it would be a great move in terms of a risk to reward ratio. We can give it a sizable SL of 35 pips and go for a 1 to 5.5 risk to reward ratio. Now, last but not least, I'm going to go through Euro USD with you guys. I did want to go for USD CAD, but that move is kind of already played out, unfortunately. So all I do have for you guys is Euro USD as a finisher. Now, looking at Euro USD, of course, on the high time frame, we come to the daily picture just to kind of follow the order flow. We did see price mitigate out this daily candle. And of course, we saw price distribute lower. Now, interesting enough, we didn't actually break the low. We did actually pull up higher, and we also distributed again or redistributed again out of this 8-hour candle here, and where price, of course, broke down. And when we did break down, we still didn't take out this low, let alone this daily low as well. So, of course, with that being said, all what this means is, these are just targets, right? The market is, of course, engineering that liquidity for it to take out at a later date. Now, when that will happen, we don't know. I couldn't tell you. If I did know, I would tell you guys, but I don't know. However, we do need to just keep taking the shorts until price breaks structure, and of course we can take some buys. But I do believe these lows will get taken. Now, switching over to the 8-hour candle here, we did actually see price mitigate, close off the 8-hour imbalance as we can see, and then we reacted. However, we're seeing price push up higher. Now, there's two areas similarly to USD JPY. We can actually see price push up, close off this 4-hour imbalance and get a play slightly higher to then take out the lows, giving us almost a 1 to 5.5, I believe it is, same as AUD/USD. However, if this area doesn't hold and we do get price being incredibly bullish for whatever reason, of course, it is NFP week, so we kind of need to be prepared for all scenarios. This is the last up candle, which kind of causes move to the downside. And this is also a candle where it has not been mitigated from. We've got that imbalance, which is also sitting inside of this area here as well. So yeah, those are the two areas. And for my traders out there, guys, giving you the source, make sure to keep an eye out. And guys, don't forget to check out the website, www.litcapital.co.uk. Now, if you found this video very helpful, informative, and just generally helped you out in having a deeper insight into the market, guys, don't forget that you can hit us up at the website, www.litcapital.co.uk, and start your trading career here. Now, if you'd like to follow me and my setups and our setups, the whole of the team setups, make sure to just click this button. You will get a link into our Discord where you can follow along. With that being said, I'm going to say it again, guys, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, every day is money day. Peace.